Welcome to this comprehensive guide on MoonPay, a leading cryptocurrency payment platform designed to simplify your journey into the world of crypto. MoonPay allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrency effortlessly, leveraging a simple and intuitive interface. The platform supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and Apple Pay, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced crypto users. When you first visit the MoonPay website, you'll notice its clean and straightforward design. The homepage provides direct access to purchasing options, supported currencies, and essential resources. MoonPay supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins like USDT, ensuring flexibility for diverse investment needs. Creating an account is quick and secure. Simply sign up with your email, verify your identity as per regulatory requirements, and start transacting in minutes. MoonPay prioritizes security with state-of-the-art encryption and compliance with global financial regulations, making it a trusted choice in the crypto space. Once logged in, you'll find an intuitive dashboard that guides you through the process of buying or selling cryptocurrency. Select the desired cryptocurrency, input the amount, and choose your preferred payment method. Transactions are processed swiftly, and funds are delivered directly to your wallet. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. MoonPay also offers a robust customer support system, including FAQs and 24/7 live chat, to address any questions or concerns. Their transparent fee structure ensures you know the cost of each transaction upfront, avoiding hidden surprises. For those new to cryptocurrency, MoonPay's educational resources provide valuable insights into the basics of crypto, blockchain, and the potential of digital assets. Whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or diversifying your portfolio, MoonPay simplifies the process. Finally, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a special bonus for new users. Subscribe to this channel and smash that like button for more in-depth guides and updates on the crypto world.